Hello everyone. Today in this video let's talk about how to hide page title in WordPress page title with Elementor. By default, when you create a page or post, you will have a dynamic page title. It will display at the top of your page or post. But when you design, it is okay for a blog post, but for a page like here in this home page or landing page, we do not want to display the page title. We want to display all the contents of the page with the page builder like Elementor. So we want to hide the page title. In that case, here in the page setting, you can select page Elementor full white, Elementor full white to hide the page title. By default, you will have page title, but if you select Elementor full white, then the page title will be hidden. And in some case, if you want to use the layout inherited from your theme, maybe you do not want to use the Elementor layout or Elementor page template. In that case, you have to click on this hide title to hide the page title. Mostly this Elementor full white we use to design landing pages or full white pages that does not have sidebars. But if you want to use theme layout or default layout with sidebars or for any other reasons, in that case you have to we have to use this feature, hide title feature of Elementor page builder, to hide it. This is the way of there are other ways, like there are other plugins too, free plugins to hide page title or post title, but this is for Elementor. This is the Elementor way. In case you edit the page with Elementor or the post, you can use this Elementor method to hide the page title. For those page or post that you do not use Elementor, then you have to install a plugin. Then I hope this short video is informative and helpful to your web design, and most of us have been familiar with this feature also. But if you are not familiar yet and you are a beginner of Elementor and WordPress, then this video is for you. And if you like and find it helpful, please don't forget to comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching again. Have a nice day.